When a specific event occurs in Academy LMS, you can send the event data to any third-party application, such as Pabbly, Fluent CRM, Gmail, WhatsApp, Google Sheets, Zoom, and others, to trigger actions or automate workflows. Academy LMS provides the flexibility to send event data through the webhook add-on. For example, when someone enrolls in a course, you can send the student's data to Fluent CRM to create a contact in a specific list. This enables you to send emails or automate tasks using CRM functionality. In this video, I want to send data from Academy LMS to Pabbly and then to Fluent CRM. Let's explore how to integrate third-party applications, automate workflows, and sync data in real time with Academy LMS. First, go to the Academy LMS add-ons menu and turn on the webhooks add-on. Then, click on the settings icon. It'll take you to the webhooks dashboard. Click on the Add New Webhook button. Start by setting a title for your webhook. Next, choose Events from the Event Type section. Academy LMS offers 27 event hooks. Pick as many events as you need. After selecting the event, you will need the delivery URL. To get the delivery URL, let's connect Academy LMS to Pabbly. Log in to your Pabbly account. On the dashboard, click the Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. Hit the Create Workflow button, name your workflow, select a folder, and click Create. First, we need to set a trigger. We can choose the Academy LMS app from the Pabbly official directory. The event options in the app are somewhat limited. To access all event types, I will use the webhook app here. Select Webhooks as the trigger app, then choose Catch Webhooks as the trigger event. This generates a delivery URL. Copy it. Go back to the Academy LMS Webhooks dashboard. Paste the delivery URL. Set the status to Publish. Finally, click Add Webhook. Here we have successfully created a webhook with different types of events. From Pabbly Connect, you find there are shows waiting for webhook response. So now, let's test the webhook. For test, we are navigating our course menu. Open the course edit page and update the course as Publish. Here in the Pabbly Connect dashboard, you can see the webhook has successfully captured the response. It includes the full details of the course, such as the title, status, and updated properties. Let's see how to connect Pabbly to Fluent CRM. Hit the mouse on the plus icon under Choose Your Next Application Action. You can find thousands of apps for your application action. Search for Fluent CRM and select it. Choose the incoming webhook feed as the action event and click on Connect. Next window required some data to connect this action event. To get that data, go to your WordPress site dashboard and make sure you have installed and activated Fluent CRM on your plugin section. Go to Fluent CRM settings. Add a new manager. Enter the email, set permissions, and create the manager. Next, go to the REST API menu. Press Create a New Key, set a name, associate it with the manager, and copy user name and password. Now back to the Pabbly Connect action event for Fluent CRM. Set a name for the new connection. Paste the username and password, input your site URL, and save the connection settings. Then, you can see the action event is connected. Again, back to Fluent CRM's incoming webhook settings. Hit the mouse on Create Webhook. From Webhook Creation page, set a name, pick a list, you can add tags, and set the status as subscribed, and click on the Create button. Fluent CRM webhook is ready to serve. Copy the webhook URL and paste the URL on the Pabbly Connect incoming webhook area. Then enter your email, full name, first name, and last name, and click on the Save and Send Test Request buttons. Here, a success modal will appear. Now you can find a subscribed student added on your Fluent CRM contact menu. Okay, now let's see a live action demo. We are testing a live action demo for the new Enroll webhook event. Go to the Academy LMS Courses menu. Open a course page and enroll in the course. Here is how the data is being processed. To see the result, go to the Fluent CRM contact list for students. Here will be found the newly enrolled student data. And that's how you unleash the power of Academy LMS Webhooks. From automating tasks to connecting apps, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.